Digestive system. Digestive system is responsible for digestion and absorption of nutritive substances. The gastrointestinal system is a portal through which nutritive substances, that is vitamins, minerals and fluids, enter the body. Proteins, fats and complex carbohydrates are broken down into absorbable units called digested units. The products of digestion and the vitamins, minerals and waters cross the mucosa and enter the lymph or the blood, which is called absorption. Digestion. Digestion may be defined as a physiological process by which complex food particles are broken down into simpler form, suitable for absorption and subsequent utilization. Importance of digestion. Supply energy to the body for activity, for the growth of the body, for the repair of wear and tear, for the reproduction and lactation. Absorption. Absorption is a process by which the end products of digestion pass through the interstitial epithelium and enter the bloodstream. Parts of digestive system: digestive tract and accessory tracts. Digestive tracts include mouth or buccal cavity with tongue, oropharynx, stomach, small intestine, which is subdivided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum, and large intestine, which is subdivided into cecum, ascending colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum and anal canal. Accessory parts: teeth, salivary glands, parotoid, submandibular, sublingual, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and other digestive glands in the wall of the digestive tracts. Alimentary tract extend from mouth to the anus with their associated glands. Gastrointestinal tract extend from stomach to the anus. As you see in the diagram, it is from the starting of the oral cavity and end up to anus. The function of digestive tracts is nutritive function, secretory functions, and some mechanical functions like helps in movement of food through it and maintaining the function of the regulation of acid-base balance and water balance. Saliva. Saliva is a viscous, colorless, opalescent fluid which is secreted by the three pair of salivary glands: parotid gland, submaxillary or submandibular glands, sublingual glands, and buccal glands. Parotid gland secretes entirely the serous type containing xylem and alpha amylase. Submaxillary secrete both the serous type and mucus. Sublingual glands secrete both the serous type and mucus. Buccal glands, there are small accessory buccal glands that secrete a small quantity of saliva. Functions of saliva: it keeps the mouth moist and helps in speech. It facilitates swallowing, help in water balance and act as a lubricant. Gastric juices. Gastric juices are secreted from different types of cells present in stomach. There are three types of gland present in the stomach. Cardiac gland, it contains mainly mucus secreting cells. Glands of body and fundus of stomach. Pyloric glands secrete mucin and lamina hormone gastrin. The functions of gastric juices are: the enzyme pepsinogen helps in protein digestion, rennin helps in milk digestion, gastric lipase digests fast or to some extent, maintain acid-base regulation, it converts collagen protein into gelatin. Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice is a liquid secreted by the pancreas, which contain a variety of enzymes including trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, elastase, carboxypeptidase, pancreatic lipase, nucleases, and amylase. The pancreas is located in the visceral region and is a major part of the digestive system, required for proper digestion and subsequent assimilation of macronutrient substances required for living. Functions of pancreatic juice as in a digestion action and neutralizing action. Pancreatic juice contain large quantities of HCO3, which plays an important role in neutralizing the acid kind emptied by the stomach into duodenum. Bile. Bile is a bitter yellow-green secretion of the liver stored in the gallbladder and plays an important role in digestion. Liver. Liver is the largest solid gland of the body, situated with abdominal cavity and play an important role in digestion and metabolism. The function of liver can be nutrient and vitamin metabolism, production of certain proteins for blood plasma, and the regulating blood clotting and the clearance of bilirubin. If there is buildup of bilirubin, the skin and eye turn yellow. Metabolism. Metabolism may be defined as a series of specific biochemical reactions occurring within living organisms, catalyzed by enzymes, coenzymes, cofactors, and governed by hormones and vitamins. It is a sum total of anabolism and catabolism, where anabolism is a synthesis process or the energy consuming process for conversion of simple substance into more complex, and whereas the catabolism is a breakdown process or the process that converts bigger molecules into smaller. Importance of metabolism is secretion of glands, muscular activities, protein synthesis, and growth of the body. Thank you for your patient listening.